Hey, wanna make an AI-generated TikTok video like that?
Top 3 natural supplements for your best health. First, sea moss, a favorite of the wonderful Dr. Sebi. It contains 92 of the 102 minerals
And earn $100,000 profit in under 30 days. It's just so crazy how easy it is to make money right now, especially with TikTok affiliate program. So all you're doing is pick a product, let AI generate your video and post. And every time someone click that teeny tiny button right here and buy the product, money rolls in while you sleep. Today, I will show you how to do the same thing, turning views into revenue with just a few taps. So, let's get started. And I'm Maddie from AI Fire Tutorial. So first, you need to find your product. So simply go to some e-commerce platforms to find a trending product with huge purchases and positive feedbacks. So here I will use Amazon to find a potential product for my TikTok video. So I will click bestsellers here, and you can see different categories here. Choose a category of your interest. So here I will go for beauty and personal care here. So I will choose this product to feature in my video. Now after you have your product, you need to make a script for your video. So I will use ChatGPT to create one for me. So here I will use this prompt. So you can see that here is the name of the product. And here is the description of the product that I have copied from Amazon. Yeah, just click enter. And now we have the script for our video. Just copy and paste this script and make any changes if needed. And here is the script that I have just copied from ChatGPT. We have different scenes for our video here. Now we need to create some images for each scene right here to put it in our video. Okay, so to create images for my video, I will head over to Midjourney. For each scene, ChatGPT has just come up with the idea for us. So just simply copy and customize the idea to create an amazing picture for your video. So here we are for scene 1. So I will change a girl's face with visible pimples in the mirror. Here is my description for scene 1. Now let Midjourney create a picture for me. So I will choose this one for my video and download into your laptop for later edit. So I will name it scene 1 here. For scene number 2, I will use the same characters as scene number 1, but in a different background and different poses and expression. The girl here applies a mighty acne patch sticker to the pimple. Okay, here. To create the same character as scene number 1, we will insert our picture here and choose icon here to use as character. So Midjourney will use the same characters as this picture with this different prompt here. So here we have the image for scene number 2. The same girl as scene number 1 here. So I will choose this one and download it to my laptop. So for the voiceover of my video, I will go to the ElevenLabs website to create one for me. So you need to just simply enter the script of the video here and choose the voice that you want. So here I will choose Alice and click generate speech.
Tired of waking up with the same stubborn pimples? Meet your new skincare hero. The Mighty Patch Original works while you sleep.
So we have the voiceover here, and just download it and insert the voiceover into our video. So after you have the images and the voiceovers for your video, you can use any editing tools to integrate all the elements, and you should also insert some transitions and animation into your video to make it look more interesting.
Tired of waking up with the same stubborn pimples? Meet your new skincare hero. The Mighty Patch Original works while you sleep.
And once you have done with the video, just upload it on TikTok and wait for the money to flow into your pocket. And that's it for today, marketers. You're all set to start making money on TikTok using AI to create affiliate content. And if you found this video helpful, smash that like button, subscribe to our channel, and drop a comment down below to show us your success.